Hey guys, Master Moore here. Just going to be talking you guys through how to tie your belt so when you guys come back, hopefully we'll have learned how to do it. Alright, so there are several ways you can tie it. Easiest one, I'll show you here today. None of you have names on your belts yet, but when you do, I like to start from the left side and have my name hang across from the front. So I start where I wrap it around from the back, keep it in front, hang it right in front of my head. I'll take the excess, the extra long piece of belt, and bring it all the way around on top of the previous section of belt. Wrap it around a second time. Take the extra piece, just come around the length. Maybe have to check the length for it a little bit, so if one side's a little too short and the other side's a little too long, you can just kind of pull on the short side, increase the length, check it again, take the top piece that is not tied underneath, bring it under or over and under both sections of belt, pull it through, and then a second time, we'll take the top piece, wrap it over, pull it under and through, and pull it tight. All right.